Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make automatic brake light. So let's begin this video. Things required to make brake light: power bank, wires, torchlight's lens, red color LED. Now take a wire and connect it to your cycle's brake as shown. Connect another wire same like the other sides. Now take a USB cable and connect it to the power bank. Now take the power bank and place it on the cycle and stick it as shown in the video. Now connect any one wire of the brake and the power bank. Now stick the lens on the cycle as shown. Now connect the other side brake wire to the LED. Connect the wire that's coming from the USB cable. Circuit diagram as shown. And it's done. You can also charge any electronic device using USB cable. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you want to see how to make a power bank, then click on this video.